Hey, what's up? I'm Ryan, and it's Quick Tip Wednesday. And as you can see, I'm wearing my Wednesday t-shirt. The same t-shirt I wear every Wednesday, as I definitely didn't film all these videos on the same day. So in this video, I'm going to show you two different ways on how to quickly and efficiently create a circle during the modeling process. So sit back, relax, and let's get to it. So we'll start off with this cube here, then we'll go to edit mode and select these four faces here. Then we'll hit Alt-Shift-S, then drag our mouse to the right, and there's our first circle. The second technique requires us to have loop tools enabled. So we'll just go to Edit, Preferences, Add-ons, and type in Loop Tools. If it's not appearing, make sure that the Enable Add-ons Only button is disabled. Now enable the add-on by ticking this little box, then close this window. Now let's rotate our view and select these four squares. Then right click and go to Loop Tools and Circle. So if you found this video helpful, feel free to give it a like, and if you have any questions or run into any problems, leave a comment down below and I'll try and help you out. That's all from me. I'll see you around.